Sharing is love. No words needed to see how much the baby loves the bird. This behavior in parrots is actually how they say hello.
Tá doendo? Fez dodói, Pedrinho?
Baby kisses. Yeah, kisses. You sleeping?
Go. Good girl. Good girl. She ate it, didn't she? Go spend it, kid.
As long as they have each other, anywhere can become their playground. Parrot be like, Mom said no, give it tome.
Hello. I know.
Parrot be like, I can't promise to help, but I promise to stay by your side. Make sure you love them equally, parents. If your child refuses to eat vegetables, get them a rival to compete with.
Tell them to step up.
Don't step up.
Oh my, who knew parrots could be this clingy? Me and my little sibling looking for the person who promised to take us out, but hasn't shown up yet. A brother and the way he treats his big sister.
我要摸，就摸虎子。
来，给他被子盖起来，
好嘞，被子。
轻轻的啊，睡觉了，嘘，别动，别动了，好了。
哎，真的。哎呦，又搓你的手，这怎么了？
Look at how happy someone is to meet a new friend. When sharing food doesn't go as planned, Parrot be like, "Did you forget something? I'm not going anywhere."
Too much for you, Bubba? Oh, they love each other.
He's like, what is this?
Like he's very cute.
Teaching children to treat small creatures gently is very important, parents.
Yayi.
哈哈啊！
You can tell this big brother hasn't left the baby's side since birth.
I know.
Winter break definitely won't be boring for them anymore. An underage driver and his navigator. Not just parrots, any animal around can help teach your child to share.
Oh, he loves you. Look, he's giving you cuddles.
Looks like it'll be hard to separate them from now on.
Take a picture, Travis. Travis, Travis. Yes? Yeah.
With a babysitter like this, you won't have to worry about your child getting bored. Seems like the parrot fell in love with the baby at first sight. Even though it's smaller, this little green fluff is no pushover. Well, all he wants is to stay close to the baby. These two chatty friends will help the girl win every argument.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Hey, Cuddy-do. Come here, little shish.
Funniest thing you ever did see.
It's one of those things. Or something.
I bet a lot of people would love to join them for afternoon tea.
You doing peekaboos?
All right. Peekaboo.
Looks like he wants his little sibling to have a colourful outfit just like his. From his actions, you can tell this boy will grow up to be a great big brother. A baby and the noisiest roommate on earth. This combo will have you laughing non-stop. Watch how this tiny duo communicates like chaotic roommates learning each other's language. I bet they'll earn the Student of the Year title together this school year.
He's laughing.
Papa! 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 Papa!
Give a kiss.
Looks like someone just fell in love at first sight.
You're doing such a good job, darling. You okay?
If they joined a dance contest, they'd definitely win the fan vote.
Yes, ticklish.
If siblings love each other like this, their parents must be so proud.
You're doing good. So slow. I'm right back on his perch. Careful. Good job, buddy. Thank you.
I know you're excited to have a little brother, but maybe not that excited. Looks like the baby already has a guardian angel right beside her. This hairstylist is definitely making sure his little sister looks her best.
Smokey, give me a kiss. Don't miss the next video of this adorable duo.